This is Slade McClendon. Today we are really excited to share with you the newest purchase for the Water Valley Fire Department in Mississippi. They've done a great job on designing their newest E1 pumper. I'm going to walk you through a couple of the neat features on this particular apparatus. This is on an International 4400 series two-door chassis. It has the Max Force 330 horsepower engine, as well as the Allison EVS 3000 transmission. All of the lighting, the upper level lighting as well as the lower level lighting, is Federal Signal LED lighting. Great options, great technology for the fire service. I'm also going to walk you through this particular design. As you know, that this is an E1 custom body here. It has the roll cage design effect in the body. We use all aluminum extrusions, which allows to be able to carry more payload on here. It's a stronger built body, but it's also lighter in our designs, and then there's going to be no rusting throughout the life of the body. There's also, all of our piping on this truck is stainless steel welded piping on the manifolds for the actual life cycle of the truck as well. This is a top mount pump panel design. You can tell it has the speed lay options in here, which just lowers the actual hose lay down for them to be able to pull the hose off of here. This has a Hale Q-Flow 1250 GPM pump. I'm going to give you a quick look up above to actually show you the actual design of the pump panel. Really a neat layout, very clean, very simple here for the operator to be able to operate the actual pump here. So you can see all of the gauges and their handles that are directly below the actual gauges. Another great storage area here for the actual fire department to be able to put anything that they would want in here. It's plumbed for a 3-inch deck gun, and then they actually have night fighter 12-volt lights on both sides that these can be extended up as well as maneuverable to be able to move in any direction. You're actually getting to see the back view of the actual hose bed. So all of their hose is mounted inside the actual hose area. Now I'm going to actually walk you through this particular design. This department has opted to have hinge doors. They actually have a 36-inch wide compartment, have actually a 50-inch compartment off the rear, and then a 56-inch compartment over the wheel well. Has a lot of storage. They have done a great job in maximizing their actual storage area. You can obviously see that they have many things already mounted in here. And then they also have storage to be able to deploy out the actual tray. These are 500-pound trays, and they are actually able to slide out here. So they can mount whatever they would like in here. But this is a TFT wide that they can hook up to their hard suction area, or to the actual steamer cap there. So these are adjustable and can be moved around there. Then it's just showing you the compartment over their wheel well. But this is for their SCBAs, can be mounted up above the wheel well. On both sides, they actually have compartmentation for their SCBA bottles. The rear compartment, this is really a neat design as well. They have the pull-out 500-pound trays on both sides, up above, and these are actual adjustable as well. You're also seeing some neat options for mounting equipment. They can put another SCBA here, their axes as well here, showing you their pry bar area. Now this is kind of a neat design. You don't see this a lot, but this just shows you another option to be able to mount equipment up there. Now we'll take a look on the rear of the truck. But this is just showing you the backside of their truck. Now this is an extended enhanced body to where it actually goes all the way out, so they're getting more compartmentation on both of the rear compartments. This also has a very deep compartment as well as an adjustable tray here. Another 500-pound tray, put a lot of equipment inside here. Showing you their actual equipment mounted in there, and then showing you an intake to be able to fill the truck as well off of the officer side. Just showing you the hard suction hose that can be mounted up above on their hard suction. This is a really neat design too, that they actually have a TFT Blitzfire monitor package. This has become a really neat function for the actual fire department. So as you come around over here, that they can actually come in here and deploy this straight off of the truck, put it onto the ground, and they can feed it with the hose lines. People have come to love this particular option and feature. As we go to the actual officer side, it's showing you their ladder complements that are adjustable, as well as their pipe poles that will come off of the rear. Very deep, large compartment. Now this is just being sent with their equipment, but just showing you the capability for what they can do inside this compartment. More SCBA storage capability there, and then another deep compartment right now that they have mounted, you know, obviously they're extinguishers, but they can put a lot more, you know, equipment in there as well. But this is actually showing you a tray where they can put hose as well into this particular area here. We've already talked about the actual speed lane design, and then it's just showing you the inside of the cab. International has done a great job in just having a very spacious design for the actual officer and the driver to be able to drive to the scene. We would like to thank again the Water Valley Fire Department for putting your faith and trust in Sunbelt Fire and E1. We take great pride in making sure we listen to every one of our customers' needs and designing and building the fire truck that they want and need. If you would like more information about this truck or any other trucks, please feel free to contact us at Sunbelt Fire. Also, check us out on Facebook and Twitter at Sunbelt Fire. Thank you for what you do, and stay safe.